Good evening guys and welcome back to another video. For this midweek video I'm just going to be talking about a few bits that I bought for the Clio, a few bits I'm going to be installing in the next few days. The weather's supposed to be getting rubbish where I live in Wiltshire, so I've cleared a bit of room in the garage, going to be pulling the car in and installing one of these parts. Potentially two of these parts. Hopefully you've seen the video that came out at the weekend. Thank you very much if you have already responded, liked, commented and stuff like that. I've had a big response from it on YouTube and on Instagram as well, so thank you to everyone that shared my most recent post, my story on there as well, and I shared your car back as a little bit of a thank you, so I appreciate that from all you guys. Same again with this one, please like it, it helps me out, it helps all the companies out, it shows me that you're supporting me. We're just going to quickly look through the parts that I've got now, just need to do a little bit of an unboxing. We'll start at the smallest and go up to the biggest one, but there's four technically bits that I'm going to be installing most recently, and still bits that I'm keeping my eye on to buy, hopefully, and find in this quarantine malarkey to keep me entertained, to make some videos and to keep you guys entertained. So yeah, let's get to it. Just going to grab a few of the boxes now and we can quickly talk about them. So we've got the biggest purchase in the biggest box, then the second biggest, and then the handy purchase. So we're going to start with the handy one, and then we'll go through each and every one. I'm going to point you down slightly, and we can talk about ones as we go through, but I still need to unpackage them, so it's just me seeing them for the first time as well. But okay, so number one, like I said, starting at the sort of smaller one. This was very kindly sent to me and packaged like an absolute monster, Simon. Is another set of handles. They're about as good as condition as mine were originally. But what we're going to do is give these a clean up. I don't know if I should try and clean my driver's door one better than I did on mine, because I did burn a little bit of the shininess off. But going to clean these up, give them a nice scrub up, and then we're going to sand them down and we're going to paint these ones black. The reason for that is one of you guys wanted to see what they look like black, and so did I. We get to that ASAP. It probably won't be the weekend's video, it'll be another midweek video, but yeah, just want to sand them down, clean them up. I've got some satin black paint left from Halfords, and we're going to be using that on these, and I'm pretty sure I still have some lacquer as well to make them nice and shiny to match the door handles. So hopefully that's what they're going to be there for. They're going to be looking nice and pretty, shiny and black, and then I'm going to choose which one I like best, the painted or the non-painted, but we shall see. Thank you to Simon for sending these over. If you guys wanted to send me any Clio parts, you are more than welcome. Message me on Instagram and we'll sort it out, and whether it's installing something or changing something, I'm more than happy to try it. So on to this second one in this white package here, the sort of next sort of item I've received recently that I will be installing on the weekend. It's something that I've been looking at for a while really on eBay, but I messaged them on there, was a little bit cheeky and asked if they could do anything for me, if I could advertise for them on YouTube, and they said yes, which is perfect, and thank you very much to you guys for doing that for me. But there is Diamond Performance, if you don't know them or what they do. Like I said, I found them on eBay, but they're also on Facebook and Instagram, so just type in Diamond Performance and they'll come up, and have a little look through their stuff. Obviously for me personally it was focused in on the Clio 182, but on their page they've got about 220 odd, maybe a little bit more, covers and the products that they sell. So do go check them out, even if you don't own a Clio like mine. They do Mark III, Mark IV, Megane. Just pretty sure they venture into Fords and stuff like that as well, so do go have a look if you're interested. The bits that I got though for the covers was the cover of, if I can unwrap it, was the cover for the top mounts, a little top mount cap in gloss black. The main reason obviously I wanted this is, if you don't know and if you haven't seen my engine bay, I've been doing a lot of progress on it recently, making it look pretty, making it look spot on how I want it, and the one thing that stands out to me still is the top mounts showing, because the sort of standard top mounts are not very pretty at all, and these are going to cancel that out and take people's eye away from the ugly top mount onto a nice pretty cover cap. Obviously not very hard to install at all, but when I get the car around here for the weekend video that I will be filming, I will be installing these and showing you guys how they fit. Obviously it's nice and easy, so it won't take too long, but I will show you how they fit and how they look when they are installed. Obviously you got two in gloss black. They do a range of colours in pretty much everything they do. Another main bit they do isn't just the cover caps for the top mounts. They do fuse box cover, battery cover, they do badge covers. But they also do like boost pods and stuff like that as well, which is teasing me, because if I ever do go down and get a turbo for my car, which I don't think will happen just yet, but if I ever do, they got a lovely boost pod yes, massive shout out to those guys, thank you so much. And a nice little message from them as well. So moving on to the third one, moving into play. I better protect these now, I've got them out, I don't want to scratch them out, they package them so nicely. So the third one here, this is a little bit more, well, not more difficult to find on eBay, but this is where I found the two on eBay. I just typed in Clear 182 air ducts and this is what came up, so that's a big giveaway for what this one's going to be. Because inside the box, a fair bit of packaging and tubing and that. Inside the box we have the air ducts. I did get the whole kit in the end, but the reason why I went with these in the end is because before I did get the bass trumpets or whatever they're called, which sort of sit on the outside and just create one big sort of flat hole going through, whereas I saw these ones and they fit flush, they don't need any glue in or anything like that unless you're OCD. I might put a little bit of silicone around it myself just to make sure it doesn't fall out, but I did go with the full kit, so I've got the front one, this is going to be front right, and then the bit that goes through to the back. This is meant for brake cooling, so this goes on the other side of the wheel arch lining and it will shoot through obviously to the brakes. But I'm not going to be doing that straight away, I don't think, because obviously mine isn't a track car, so I don't really need brake cooling as such. So I'm going to be using the tube provided right here. Maybe not need this long, but obviously that end goes in here and then the tube comes into the car. Obviously half and half normally on each side going through and into the brakes. I'm going to be using however much of this tube that I need to go up to my air filter on my induction kit for some cold air, which should hopefully work like an absolute dream. But I'm really excited to fit these just because I think they're going to look cool. They're going to look quality. They're going to fit nice and flush. I did go with the stealth in the end. There was an option obviously to go, I think it's, so this is stealth, then you've got road, and then you've got track. And what they do is they add another little lip to this side, so pretty much to grab as much air as it can. Obviously the more this comes out, the more air will get directed into. But I did put a little poll up on my Instagram and everyone said that the stealth looked better, so in the end I was a bit 50-50 between stealth and road. Road was sort of the one with the little lip, everyone said stealth looked better, so I have agreed in the end with you guys. So we've got two stealth ones going on each side, and that is going to be the main upgrade coming on Sunday's video, is going to be installing the air ducts. Video is installing these, installing the cover caps, and making that engine bay look even prettier. Another little install which has made me nice and happy, so I can't wait to add that in there as well. Just another thing to make the engine bay look even better. To this side, I don't know whether I'm still going to use this to help me with clamping it to anything, to still redirect that air to the induction kit and just give it a clean finish on the end of the tube, rather than say just a tube sitting there. I will have that on the end, but I don't know. But these are going to come in handy for future use. Maybe if I ever think or push more towards track days and become a little more committed on that side of life, these are going to be here ready to rock. I got the tube and we can have some nice cold air feed to the brakes, which would be pretty neat, I think. But yeah, go check those guys out on eBay as well. I'll put another link in the description for them, and that should shoot you guys straight over there. I don't know whether he's got an Instagram or a Facebook page, he didn't really let me know. But yeah, they also did a little deal for me as well, so shout out to those guys as well. Check them out on eBay, help me out and help them out. That'd be ideal. But yeah, that is the main things. Obviously I will be doing these as well. These little bulbs will be going in the front at the weekend. While the bumper is off, I might as well install these into the headlights and make my life easier, rather than moving all the induction kit and stuff, unless I need to do that for the cold air feed. But yeah, I'll be installing my little bubble indicator bulbs rather than the orange ones, so that should sort those two out at the front. Still need two for the back. Still deciding on what I'm going to do with my dog bone mount. I can either get the one on eBay, which is created to be solid, or I'm going to wait for a dog bone mount Powerflex purple one to come up, either also on Facebook or eBay or something like that, and bid on that, because I think I can get them for about £30 to £35. So I might try and get one of them, whereas the one that's on eBay is 50. So we'll see. We'll see what one I go for. Okay, so just to quickly run over all the purchases and all the things that have come for the Clear recently. Obviously these were here anyway, but I will be installing these at the weekend. Just adds a bit more of a bubble effect rather than completely orange, but I like them. Like I said, the other option was Silver Tech. I might have to get some of those for the back too to replace the orange ones. Simon sent me these. Cheapskate Racing on Instagram, thank you very much. Like I said, I'll be painting these and showing you guys whether it's worth you guys maybe going down the route of painting them. Obviously it will be a black with a gloss of the lacquer over the top of them. Diamond Performance, thank you very much for sending these again. These are the cover caps for the top mounts. They'll be going on and I'll show you how they look and how they fit. pretty much just going to sit over the rubber, and the rubber should hopefully hold it in there with the little bits of tape that come on the inside. Cover gaps. And last but not least, we've got air ducts. Air ducts are going to be going on the front. These will be replacing the fog lights. So I won't have fog lights anymore, so I'm going to be replacing them with this system. Like I said, whether I will be cutting the tube in half and getting a cold air feed from both, maybe need to get another tube. It depends how much I need from the right hand side as you look at the front to go up and into the induction kit. So we'll be having a look at that, but they are the 4 things that will be sort of occurring in the next few videos. As always, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a like, comment and a subscribe. Shout out to all the companies that helped me out and sent me the stuff. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, if you guys want to send me anything, you're more than welcome to message me on Instagram. I can do stuff for you. I always want suggestions for videos. If you guys are struggling with anything or want to see anything, let me know, and I am here to help. We are hopefully all staying safe with the quarantine, and I'm hopefully going to still be producing videos within this time, and getting a little bit of entertainment for myself and for you guys. But yes, thank you very much for tuning in again. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.